A very cheerful morning to all my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all to English class. So get ready with your grammar book. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 8, adjectives and kind of adjectives. So in the previous class we discussed 5 type of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, and distributive adjective. I hope all the 5 types of adjectives are clear to you. Today we are going to start interrogative adjectives. As the name indicate, interrogation. Interrogative means or interrogation means to ask question. So interrogative adjectives are those adjectives that are used to ask questions. They are used with nouns to ask the questions. Like, what information have you about it? Whose bag is this? Which box is this? Okay, so here what WH words, what, whose, and which are the words used as interrogative adjectives for asking the question. Students, what is basically used for the things only? Whose is used for person, to ask question about person, and what is used for asking question about things, and which is used for asking question about a particular person or a thing. Okay, so basically which is used for both person and thing, but what and whose they are used for one thing. Like, what is used for asking questions about things and whose is used for asking question about persons. Okay, here also we are having queries like interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronoun. Okay, now how will you differentiate between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun? Because in both the cases we are using WH words. So when, as you know, we had previously also discussed that the adjectives are used before the noun they describe. They are used before the noun they describe. So what book is this is the interrogative adjective, and which book is good is interrogative adjective. Which is the good book is the interrogative pronoun. Because which is the good book, it here which is the interrogative pronoun which is used in place of noun. Like, if I say which is the good book, you will give me the answer in the name of a noun. Which is the good book? English book or jungle book is the noun here. So in that pronouns are used in place of noun, whereas adjectives are used along with the noun they describe. They are used before the noun they describe. Clear, everyone? So I hope with the previous example we discussed, it is very much clear to you that how will you identify interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Adjectives are used before the noun they describe, and pronouns are used in place of nouns. Clear? Next is the possessive adjectives. Next type we are going to discuss is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are those adjectives that shows the ownership or possession about something. Like, this is my book. This plant is losing its leaves. That is your house. This is her book. So here my, its, your, her are the possessive adjectives. Here also the question comes, how will you identify possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns? Now possessive adjectives answer the question whose If we are talking about possession, possession means the person who possess something. Okay, if you say, ma'am, this is my book, you are stating that this book belongs to you. So here my is the possessive adjective, and my book, this is my book, here my is the possessive adjective which is used before the noun book, okay, about which you are claiming that this is my book. Is it clear? So how will you identify, next question is, how will you identify possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? Same rule, adjectives are used before the noun and pronouns are used in place of nouns. It will answer the question in, it will answer the question in the form of noun. Like, see, this is the example. This is not my turn to play. This is not my turn to play. Mine is the next. Now here my is the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, and whereas mine stands for my turn. So it is used as a pronoun. It is, mine is used in place of a noun. Okay, so here mine is giving you the answer that my turn is the next. So mine is the pronoun and my is the my turn, and my, here my is the possessive adjective. Okay, so I hope the words my, your, his, her, they, and its are the possessive adjectives, and adjectives are used before the noun they describe. Okay, next is proper adjectives. Eighth type of the adjective is proper adjective. Proper adjectives are the proper nouns that are used as adjectives. Proper nouns, you know, name of a particular person, place, or thing. So these are the proper adjectives, and they are used. Proper nouns are the proper adjectives that are used as adjectives. See here, proper adjectives are the proper nouns that are used as adjectives. See, he is an Indian. He went to visit France. He is an Indian soldier. I enjoyed the French cuisine. Now, here, Indian, France, Indian, French, these are all proper nouns. Okay, he is an Indian, it is a proper noun. I went to visit France, it is proper noun. Now, he is an Indian soldier. Now, here, Indian is describing about the soldier, that the soldier belongs to India. He is an Indian soldier, so it is a proper adjective. French, I enjoyed the French cuisine. Here also French cuisine. French is describing cuisine, so that is proper adjectives. So proper adjectives are the proper nouns which are used as adjectives. Ninth type is if emphatic adjectives. Adjectives that are used to emphasize one opinion. Emphatic means to put a stress on something. So if adjectives are used to put a stress on one's opinion about something, that is called emphatic adjectives, like the real owner of this firm is somebody else. Real owner of this firm is somebody else. I have a very bad cold. So here the word likes, real, very, complete, true, perfect, own, total, absolute, they are called emphatic adjectives because we use them to emphasize our opinion about something. Now, here in the first example, the stress has been put on the owner of the firm, that the real owner, who is the real owner of the firm? The real owner of the firm is somebody else. So, here the word real is putting stress on the owner and describing the owner, whether it is real or whether it is unreal. I have a very bad cold. I have a cold is okay, but very bad cold is putting stress on the particular condition of a person, that the cold is very severe. Okay, So these are the emphatic adjectives when we put stress on something, someone's opinion about somebody. Clear? Next is, and the last type is relative adjectives. Adjectives like what, which, and whose that are used with nouns to relate clause are called relative adjectives. Now, as you all know, clause is a group of word that forms the part of a sentence, and it has a subject and a predicate. Whereas phrase is a group of word which form a part of a sentence but it do not contain subject and a predicate. It is just a group of word. Okay, and independently it cannot stand on its own, but clause can stand on its own. So here clauses are introduced in the sentences with the help of relative adjectives, and the words that introduce relative clauses in the sentence are what, which, and whose. Okay, if I say I know the boy, there are two sentences. I know the boy, father is a policeman. Now, here relative means it relate first sentence to another sentence. Right, now I know the boy whose father is a policeman. Here whose is the relative adjective which is relating the boy's father introduction. Okay, so I know the boy whose father is a policeman. So here I know the boy is the first clause and father is a policeman is the second clause. So here these whose is the word relative adjective that relates the boy as a noun to the relative clause. Here this adjective clause whose relate relates the boy to the father, right? So I hope it is clear. I know the boy whose father is a policeman. I know the boy is also a clause and father is a police his father is a policeman is the second clause. But with the help of relative adjective we are able to join the two sentences and it basically relates the noun that is the boy to his father. Okay, so that is the last type we discussed today, and I hope with this all the type of adjectives are clear to you. So let's take a quick recap what we learned today. We learned today interrogative adjectives are those adjectives which are used for asking the question, and WH words are used as interrogative adjectives what, which, and whose. I told you what is used for asking question about things. Whose is used for asking question about persons, and which is used for asking question about particular person and thing, which is used for both but for particular person or thing. Next we discussed possessive adjectives. These are those adjectives which shows the possession or ownership, and the words like my, its, your, her, his, her, they, its are the possessive adjective. Eighth type we discuss proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are the proper nouns that are used as adjectives, like Indian soldier, French Suzanne, like this. Emphatic adjectives are those adjectives which are used to emphasize on one's opinion about something, and words like real, very, complete, true, perfect, own, total, absolute, these are the words which are used as emphatic adjectives. Last we discussed relative adjectives. Relative adjectives are those adjectives which relates the noun to the clauses. Okay, these are used with nouns. These are the adjectives which are used with nouns to relate the clauses. So I hope today's lecture is very much clear to you, and I know you are very good in listening. The way you attended online classes, I'm very happy. The way you're giving response, very nice. All of you, you are Doing very nice. So it's a request again to solve the back exercise on your own, and after that match your answers from the answer key. I know you will definitely able to solve all the exercise on your own. If still any queries are there, you are free to ask anytime. Thank you.